2007 Dodge Ram 3500 heavy duty, 4-door, short box, 4-wheel drive. With the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine with a cold air intake system. And this truck is a 6-speed standard transmission, 17-inch chrome alloy wheels with brand new tires. We just put them on. It has a leveling kit in the front end, flip out tow mirrors. We just had it completely through the shop, put new brakes on it and a whole bunch of other stuff. Spent about $1,700 on the truck. It has a trailer tow package with a box liner, some nice black fender flares, rear sliding window, paint's in really nice condition with no accidents. It has power gray leather heated seats. Sorry, not power, just gray leather. Heated. It has the push button Jake brake, CD player, 4-wheel drive, and the 6-speed standard. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Interior is really clean. And you can view this Dodge Diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.